Doing okay? You had a good time so far? Okay, I'm gonna put a stop to that.
Rainy day in Niagara. It's gonna rain all day. But you know what Bob Marley said? Some people feel the rain, others just get wet, man. That's terrible. For a half Jamaican guy, that's a bad accent. So we've been home for a few days now. Got back Tuesday. And one of my favorite things to do when I first get home is just drive down Lundy's Lane and see what's new. There's always new stuff going on. One year the Blockbuster's just gone. Next, like, there's a Taco Bell on Lundy's Lane. Like, when did that happen?
That turquoise sign is new. No frills sign is new.
Mexican burrito place is closed down. This State Farm came out of thin air.
That's a new sign.
He's a sweet soul, brother.
Still raining. But my boy Meezy Meez is here. Haven't seen this guy in ages, one of my oldest friends. Oh, damn, crispy Jetta Meezy. Yo, what up? Beats working. This is what it looks like when I'm vlogging and walking down the street like this. How can this not be weird doing it in a public space? Like, it's impossible. What up, Seth? How are you? Oh my god, it's so freaking cold out. I don't have a winter jacket. That's a wrap. That is a wrap. Time to go home, catch some Z's, and get ready for tomorrow. Hopefully the weather's a little better. Thanks for watching. Peace.